And we're back to using ChatGPT, and this time I'm going to show you how I would use it to create my own YouTube channel and make YouTube videos. So if you're totally new and you want to start a YouTube channel, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas very easily. Let me just check at first what video categories are currently profitable on YouTube, and ChatGPT gives you a simple list. It's a general list, so if you want to be in a specific field, you have to ask specific questions. Let's just say there's nothing for you, so simply type in "give me 5 more ideas." You can obviously dive deeper into the subcategories, but I'm fine with personal finance. So let us use this as an example. Next question would be how to name your YouTube channel. So just ask, give me 10 ideas for channel names. As always, you can say, give me 10 more. I'm not so sure when I read, for example, financial freedom. That's certainly a name that's already in use. So maybe you want to specify only give me name ideas or name suggestions that are currently not in use on YouTube. It's definitely a good idea to also check on YouTube if such a channel already exists, but for financial freedom, we don't have to check. This is such a typical name that it should be in use. So let me just pick this one, Thrive with Finance. I'll pick that. So next up would be give me ideas for videos, maybe ideas for playlists, something like this. And you can use once again ChatGPT to generate these bullet point ideas. So it's really good at that, at least for now. You also want to check what category you want to put your channel into. So just ask. It should be somewhat obvious that it's financial education or something like this. Let us just ask for playlists. So you want to categorize or structure your channel in a certain way. Playlists are a good way to do that. It seems like the network is overloaded, so let me simply regenerate it. This time it works. And now you'll get an outline for your channel, and you can structure your content like this. So you have the basic pillars, you could say, of a YouTube channel. Just pick one of these and say generate video ideas for this specific playlist name. I'll make it 10 again. And this way you have content ideas for weeks, months in advance, generated just like this in a couple of minutes. When you have a YouTube video made and you have it already titled, or you have a title in mind, just use ChatGPT to give you the best keywords and tags for it that you can paste in the back end of YouTube in the Creator Studio. You get a good list, just copy paste it in YouTube Studio when you upload a video. You also want to have a video description. Let ChatGPT write it for you. But it's a good idea to have that done before you make the video, because sometimes there's something in the description that you may not have talked about in the video. So just use the video description up front, and then you know what you have to include in the video. Once you've got that, you can copy paste it yet again into the YouTube Studio when you upload your video. Let's say right here it has used we. I want ChatGPT to use I. So just type in I want it in first person. And there you go. And finally, you can also make ChatGPT write your video scripts. When you want to use a text to audio program, you can just paste that in. So if you don't even want to appear on your channel yourself, not just visually, but also when it comes to audio, you can use text to speech. Just search on Google. You'll find lots of apps, lots of solutions. I'll make this example a 500-word script. Sometimes I found that when you have ChatGPT write longer stuff, it hangs itself up at some point. Maybe it's because of the word limit. So I've given it 500 words specifically. So right here, it hung itself up at part 6 right there. So it's a good idea to not use specific word counts, just tell them, make me a mid-sized or a long-sized script for video. And you could also just use outlines once again. So you tell ChatGPT, give me 5 main bullet points for a video script, and then have ChatGPT generate a script for each of these bullet points individually, and then put it together manually. But this is generally how you can use ChatGPT on your YouTube channel and even make YouTube videos with it. As always, be specific, be precise in your questions, and always dig deeper until you've got results that you want. In general, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.